still on. I thought I turned it off. My camera. It's really hot on our left side of our face because it's really 95 degrees here. But if we turn, I'm going to be in the right of our face. the heat, the sun's heat. Okay, there's some people there playing, and there's some more boat there. So they said if we pass that shore, that place that you see, there's some island there, and you have to be fast, but we're not gonna do that because this is our first time. We just tried it. Both are huge, we just got huge. You can get wet when you get into the jet ski because it's over the water. We're gonna walk on the water. I can show you. Above you, the water. Going to get into the jet ski. With the jet ski, you cannot put it by the rock because it can ruin the bottom of the jet ski. See, there's like dock there.